Welcome to DevOps Techie channel. This channel is mainly related to DevOps related content only. So this will be useful for the guys who is ready to switch their career into DevOps or the persons who is already working on this DevOps but not able to cover all the things in their current project. So you can go through this follow subscribe like this channel so you will be notified why I uploaded the any new concepts. So today we are covering shell script. So in the basic last two videos which I uploaded earlier, there I covered some basics related to shell script. What is the purpose, why it came into picture, what is the background, why we are using in the our DevOps career, why we are giving so much priority to this scripting language here. So the basic stuff we already covered, and we covered shell script in a couple of videos. Like first video is about the basics and use cases related to our real-time projects. Second, we covered one real-time script one real-time script which we are using on the day-to-day basis. Like if discretization is, that question is like discretization percentage is greater than or equal to 80%, then you need to get the alert notification. You need to be notified. That we already covered. If you didn't cover, you just go through the back video. So in this video, we want to cover one second question in this shell script. Like my requirement is I need one shell script. Your manager came to you. So some person Deepak. Hey Deepak, I need one script that the old log files which are greater than 30 days or else 15 days which are greater than 15 days, those need to be deleted. Those need to be deleted directly. So you need to schedule this one or you need to execute. That's fine. That is like second scenario. But first thing is like the files which are old log files which are greater than or equal to 15 days, those need to be deleted. If it's a schedule means, as we know that as we discussed in the earlier video, that in the cron job we are scheduling. How we are scheduling? There we have 5 stars. Hope you guys watched earlier. So it will represent first star minute, hours, day of the month of the year, day of the week. So but as of now our requirement is like only we need to delete those 15 days. So I will execute this script every 1 week. So now here I am not asking like cron job, but my point is here like just you need to understand the condition, what exactly how we need to write the script. As a basic guy, you are aware from the last two videos how you will write. If we are good with deleting these files first, then by easily we can schedule, right, schedule it in cron job. How cron job will work? In cron tab file we were scheduling by using this star and executing our script name. So you need to give the one script name. So now we are starting our requirement. Write a shell script to delete log files under one specified path, right? So to delete log files which are greater than or equal to 30 days. This is my requirement. So if you are interested, you can schedule it in cron job. So as a basic awareness guy, the person who is just watching this video, this person what I am gonna give some tip like just you write the script and then you execute. If you are pro in some of the use cases like 10 to 15 use cases, like if the service is in stabbed state, how will you restart? So like this, if you're gonna write make some habituated to write the script, then you can easily give that scheduling, right? It's not a big deal. So this is my current requirement. Like, I need to delete the all log files which are greater than or equal to 30 days. So as usual, I will start with shebang. So hope you guys are aware this shebang that this is like which environment or which scripting I need to select for executing these comments. So this it will be give that info shebang. So it is not a mandatory thing, but it's a recommended, so that the person will know that some in your project, if you see in my project, if I see shebang will be right like user bin bash. So that's my usage the environment or scripting or interpreter as well, compiler you can go, you can tell. So that's one, it's base to base what they are choosing to write. So after that, what is my requirement? Write a shell script to delete log files which are greater than 30 days. So to delete the log files, I need to first verify one thing, guys. What is the first thing? So first of all, is the file exist or not? Exist or not? So if the file exists means then it will take the time. Take the time which is greater than or equal to 30 days, and then it needs to delete which file, the files which are logged under the specified path. So here I'm just giving that log file name. So log file. If you want, you can give directly, or else you can take the inputs. Here, if you print, please enter the input file and read. You can read by using the read. You can get, but I'm writing like I'm taking the path directly where log. So what is my requirement? Days, right? Days. How many days here given? 30. So days equal to 30. And after that, I need to find out that file exists or not. So here I need to use the conditional statement. So guys, in shell script we already aware variable, conditional statements, loop statements, range based statements, all we discussed, right? So here I am using conditional statement that if it's not there, so this file, F means file, it means not. As you know, if you are a basic EC guy also, in C you can know if 2 not equal to, we can write like this, right? 2 not equal to 3. So this means this escalator mark here means not file. Which file? Dollar. Dollar means I need to take the value. Hope you guys know this dollar log file represents that value it will take. What is that value? Here I given. Sometimes if you not given directly, then it needs to take that value, right? So dollar log file will represent like that will take the value. If it's not exist, what is the condition we written? What exactly from here to here exactly means if dollar log file means where log file not exist, then it needs to print like echo file does not exist. File does not exist. It will pop up you like that. So exit one, and then I am closing the condition. So here it will show like if the person who want to delete the log files greater than or equal to 30 days, almost it's 1 month, right? So 1 month, then if that file is doesn't exist, then it should print like that file does not exist. So if the file exists means what it will go now, if file is there, for suppose based on this the file is there, then what I will print like I am deleting the files. Deleting the folder. Here we can say deleting the folder files with some greater than, you can mention simply with symbols, greater than or equal to 30 days. So the person who don't know also will come to one awareness by seeing this echo statements. Like here, I am checking that file exists or not. If the file exists, it will print this line, deleting the older files which are greater than or equal to 30 days. So next, what is our requirement? Till now, our requirement is completed. Like if the file doesn't exist, it needs to give the user that that file does not exist. But if the file exists, then it which is greater than 30, those logs needs to be deleted, right? So by using the find, where it need to find in the specified log file by using type is like file and name. What is the name of the file which are need to delete under the specified path? That is, we need to represent like dot log. So from to this, what it exactly means, I need to check the log file. You need to find out the log file. Under that, the file name which is ending with dot log means that those are the log files. Till now I found the log files under the specified path. Dollar means variable. Of this variable, we are calling the value of that particular variable. So type F, I need to have the search for the file with the name dot log. So till now I find out the name. What is my next requirement? 30 days greater than 30, right? So m time means m time place. If you want, you can give 30 days directly here, but the requirement is, if the requirement is different means you need to take the only value of the variable, right? So here I am mentioning 30 days. What m time means, the last time files content was modified time. Which modified this dot log? Because my requirement is like not to delete every log file, right? Here my requirement is like delete the log files under the specified path, the files which are dot log greater than or equal to 30 days. So how I know that file is greater than 30 days? By using the hyphen m time. M time means modified, the latest modified time of that particular log file. So last time the file content was modified. Today it's like 20 December, right? So if I get 20, if I get the time of the last modified time of this particular log file is, it's like November 17th. November 17th. So today date is like 20 December. November 17th means it's greater than 30 days. So plus 30 days. It will consider like, so it's greater than 30 days, which are greater than 30 days. So like this, it will get the modified time. After that, what my requirement I need to, till now I find out the log with the log name and I find out the days, 30 days. Now I need to execute, I need to delete those files. I need to delete those files. This is complete. So this is exactly the script for I need to delete the log files. Here you can cover some Linux commands as well, right? So find, you can find, we covered find m time. So from last video we covered grep and awk we used, tail we used, sed we used, df minus h we used. So from the scripting, before you are pro in the script, you need to have the basic awareness on few of the uh, most important commands in Linux. So if you don't aware also, by mm, by watching this video itself, you get some comments. From last video we got almost 4 comments. From this video, by while we are writing the script, we already covered 2 comments. So before jumping into scripting like this directly, you need to have the basic awareness on at least 20 to 30 commands is there in Linux. You need to be aware. So today we are discussed about the script. which are to find out the log files. If you see overall, here I given the log file path and days I took here 30 days. Directly we can also give here, but if it's a requirement, if you need to take from the user, then we are taking the value of that particular days. First I am checking that the log file exists or not. If not, then it will execute. Like if file does not exist, so if it's there means it will come out of that, and here I am giving the user the input. Find the log file. Type of the file is file -f -d means directory. The name of the file I want is like dot log. The files which are ending with dot log. Upon my requirement, I am mentioning the name as like dot log. If you want to print that value is like dot error log file, then it's you can mention the specified file name as per your project scenarios. And I am taking the last modified time of that particular file. There I am adding this 30 and executing rm means I am deleting. You got one more as well, right? Like remove the file. So here we covered, from here we covered like conditional statement. Till here it's like condition statement, we are closing this condition. And echo is like in Python how we are covered print, right? So here it's like echo. And from here we covered find. Dollar means variable, also we covered in scripting how we are using variable, and how we are getting the particular file, and how we are getting the time, and how we are removing. So from this video we got these ones. Hope you guys are understood the question what we are discussed today. So if you want this type of questions more, just comment me which type of real-time scenarios you guys need to understand more on this script. Please subscribe this channel so that you will be notified while I uploaded the new questions on scripting or either other DevOps related stuff. Thank you everyone.